I got a lot of comments from all my subscribers. They understand English, but when they go to speak, their minds goes blank, they stack. Why? My dear friends, today in this video, I'm gonna share with you and I'm gonna show you 5 biggest and toughest mistake. That's why you can't speak. And the last one is the craziest, and 95% old and new learners are still doing this mistake. That's why you can't speak in English. Later in this video, tomorrow or the next video, next step tomorrow, I'm gonna share with you what should you do if you understand but you can't speak. But today in this video, I'm gonna share with you only what's the mistake and why you can't speak. So without wasting our valuable time and without further ado, let's get started. My dear friends, my first tips and tricks and my first mistake that I have got from 20 to 30% students, they are learning this language for a long time, for 1 month, 2 weeks, even 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, but they are not interested to this language English at all. Here's my difference. I've seen so many people, so many parents or guardians after watching my video, they're trying to make their kids like me. But to be honest, their kids are not too much interested to this language. They all don't have a great passion to learn English. They're not interested, they don't know what's the benefit of this language English. So first of all, make your parents, make your kids understand, make your students understand what's the importance of learning English, what's the power of English, then he or she must be interested to this language. All of your second mistake is that you're still taking a lot of mistake. Yes, my dear friends, you're really mistake, but if you think that what's happened, so you stack. Like I'm speaking here, if I think that if I make any kind of mistake in this video, I will die and people will kill me. But it's not like that. In the spoken English, if you make any kind of little to tiny or biggest mistake, in grammatical mistake, it doesn't matter. Yes, my dear friends, it's not your academic exam, it's not your test of your class, of your English test class, it's speaking. So if you make any kind of mistake in this video, in this talking, so it doesn't matter. Third mistake that I found in yourself, you can say 80% people are still doing that. That's why they can't speak, and that is you are still taking a specific time for practicing your spoken English. Yes, my dear friends, I found this. That's why you all can't speak. I think very well. Because when you go to speak, when you really take a specific time for practicing your spoken English, then what happens at the time you can't speak? Like if you understand English, but if you can't speak, so you must need to speak English 24 hours, which means you don't have to take any kind of a specific time. If you want to speak in English like your mother tongue, then also you need to speak all time, not in a specific time. I get it. Because when I first time, before about 1 year, when I started just making videos, practicing at a particular time, at the time I was not too fluent in this language like that. But after 2 months, somehow I found that we should really practice and make video every single day as well as practice 24 hours. And I think that it really will work. But unfortunately, it's really working. Not better, not good, it's working the best way. So it really works. While writing, please try to speak 24 hours to have a great fluency in this language. My dear friends, my fourth tips and tricks is that a lot of people are really criticizing about you. That's why you can't speak. Yes, my dear friends. You're also thinking if I make any kind of mistake, as well as if I'm talking like a mad like that, also like a fluent speaker, everybody will think that I'm really mad, everybody will criticize about me. What will happen? I will lose my reputation in my area, and so on. So truly speaking, first of all, I'll tell you if you think like that, so you are really fool. Because you don't need to make any kind of mistake. If you don't need to focus on them, just focus on your studies, focus on your goal, then English will be yours. Not like that. Alright, last and fifth, the biggest mistake you all are doing, that you all are not too much confident in this language. I'm 100% sure, because I'm speaking here, so I'm fluent. But you're not speaking in this language, so you are not fluent. Yes, my dear friends. So tomorrow or the next of tomorrow, however, whenever I'll upload my video, not Maliha's video, not conversation video, when we'll upload my video, my own video, single video, in that time I'll share with you what should you do. Today I'm gonna share with you top 5 biggest and really greatest mistake that you all are doing. I think 95% of yourselves are doing like this type of mistake every single day. So please don't do this and avoid doing this type of mistakes, and tomorrow I'll share with you what should you do to get great fluency in yourself. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day. Oh, please like, comment, and hit the bell icon to get the next new important video.